Testing, testing. We're back. New location for today. We're gonna give you guys some tour in the new Oxygen Muscle Factory. Just opened outside Dubai. I'm sure a lot of you have seen it all over social media. So we're gonna show you guys around. Probably not gonna stick to one body part because it's gonna be a fun day. So we're gonna have some fun and educate you guys along the way, show you guys along the way. So let's go do it. First caffeine though. Okay. Trying to look for everything. What are we going to start? Chris?
Yeah, I started with it. Just take off some weight. We already did 2 minutes.
This gym is massive. Just show them this massive. We need to walk around later and just show around. It's crazy. Going up. It's nice.
I like it when it comes closer.
Yeah, it comes closer to get a better squeeze. Nothing worse than those machines that stay wide. You don't get that squeeze in the middle. Let's go. Let's go. There you got it. Yes. Good. Come on. Push, push, push. One more. Push, 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 push. Yeah, slowly down. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Come on.
Let's go one up. Feeling strong today. New energy. Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yes. Here we go, come on. Yes, come on.
Nice.
I really like
Squeeze.
this machine a lot.
It is, gets a very nice squeeze. The presses should give you a nice squeeze in the middle. If it's too wide, the machines, you're not going to get that squeeze in here. Amazing. Got to pump after just those 2 working sets.
Next coach.
That fly looked quite nice. Let's hear it. It's a day to try new toys. It's always difficult to stick to a plan if you go to a new gym.
Yeah, but that, you have to do new things when you go to a new gym. Otherwise,
You have to, what's the point?
Just go to the same gym then.
Just stay at home. Yes. Never been a fan of the machines that move, but this gives a nice squeeze somehow. I don't know how. It's just weird sometimes how they design machines, and then when you actually do it, you just feel like the connection is, it's crazy. Yeah, just keep the elbows up. When you keep your chin tucked in, you get a much better squeeze. Have you tried it?
Yeah, I tried.
Like when you're there, your chest goes in. But if you actually feel it with your chin staying out, you can keep that squeeze. Like a mental thing. But as soon as I lift it and I don't feel the chest, it goes in. Much better squeeze and pump. Come on.
Impressive for a national.
For a natty. It's not what it used to be, but it's still okay for natty. It feels like we do shoulders every time for YouTube. Guys, I promise I'm doing legs. Ruben's never available when I do legs to show you guys, so it's his fault. But we'll do legs next time. This machine is actually nice. It's a little bit smoother than the other one. So again, when you do this, make sure your elbow is in line with your hands. A lot of people lift their hands over their shoulder and elbow. You don't want that. So you want to put all the pressure here and lift out of your shoulders so that you can get on the laterals. Good. That's it. Good. Potato. Oh, it is heavy. Yo, thing humbles you on a lightweight. Okay, now we're done with that machine. Yes, it is. It's very nice, like on the front out, but it's very heavy. I think also because it presses back, not up. Take the back one, front is difficult. It's also heavy on the try. Yes, look at his triceps. It was supposed to be a warm-up. Good. Come on. Oh yes. Good.
But it is good. It's like a news one.
Because it's a little bit back, slightly back the angle.
We did this one now, but it's like fucking,
Straight up.
but it's like fucking tight again.
Yeah.
Really enjoy that part. Like this one.
This is quite nice. Yeah. Feels better to not have the seat. This machine normally has a seat.
I always stand doing.
Same, yeah. You just feel your elbows, you always want the elbow closer to the hip. Not like I.
Which one do I like?
Oxygen, amazing. If you ever visit Dubai, highly recommend to come check it out. It's very amazing. It's massive, lots of bodybuilders, no music, hardcore, but elite, hardcore in an elite way. So I'll go show you guys the swimming pool. The only problem is it's like a 50-minute drive outside of Dubai, so I won't be here often. It's a bit too much. I prefer B1 where the magic happens, but yeah, really amazing, really amazing. The new trend of the world, high rocks. The high rocks place. The lighting is better than in the actual gym. Oh, nice space. I like the space. Really nice. No females allowed. Sorry, girls. Guys, do a boys trip. Good excuse to leave the ladies at home.
I'm gonna try this one.
I'll try the barbecue one.
How many grams?
150. Yeah.
Price to 100, huh?
Yeah, you can make. You're gonna have rice or potato.
I think I'm gonna have potato.
Yeah, make it 150 and then 200 white potato.
200 baked potato and 1 potatoes, huh?
Yeah, but he wants spicy, I want barbecue. Beef. Yeah, thank you. Keep it clean. Fuel up. Okay, that is a wrap on O2 Oxygen. Amazing gym. Like I said, it's really big. Everything you got, functional training. I love the space, lots of space. The only issue for me is it's very far, so I don't think there'll be much. We prefer V1. Energy is nice, but like I said, it's a nice gym to come try out. If you guys have any questions about the gym, throw them in the comments below. And yeah, even got a nice swimming pool with an ice bath. You got a sauna, You got a meal prep if you need to get your food afterwards. So yeah, really, really awesome. Lots of big people. Just to get the motivation up. But yeah, that's it for this one. We'll see you guys next time. Maybe a different location, something different outside of the gym. We'll ask the boys and subscribe, show some love. See you next time.